storage is full, so we need to do this. So my cell phone. So let's continue our unboxing. I was using this. And look guys, a puppet. Let's hear it.
Wow, look at mine, guys. Hear this, guys.
Wow.
And guys, mine is also easy to pop.
Wow. And mine is also kinda easy, but not really that easy.
Yeah.
And then I'll play with this. Wait, let me see. Tea popper.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna play with
Okay.
stress ball.
Wow.
Ay, sorry. I-move nyo, kasi ganyan. Oh. I-move nyo yung upuan kasi tignan nyo, oh. Di, di pantay. Ulitin nyo na lang yung nyo, ginagawa nyo.
You're making a video eh. I hate you. I'm just making a video eh.
Ana!
Donna!
Durna.
Sorry guys. Ate Kuya the pangit is always doing it. Let's continue guys. Let's continue guys. So, wait a moment guys. So, hey! And then, oh wow. Wow. And then,
Get the papa.
the music box. Let's hear it, guys. Let's hear.
Guys, I get this Rubik's Cube. I got this.
And then we're gonna play it. Wow. Can you hear it, guys?
Ay, ate kuya, tignan mo, di ba ganyan? Op, 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 op. No.
And now we are gonna play with that one, and I'm gonna play with the movie too. Wow! Wow! Okay! Wow! And then maybe I'll play with this. The
I'm gonna play
stress
with-
ball. And then which one should I pick? The last one. Mochi! Wow! It really works. Whee!
Now we're gonna pop this 6 of them.
And I'm gonna play with this.
Stress ball.
Whoa! Wow!
There, now this is the loud sound.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at this, guys! Whoa!
Now, time to open the water balloons. Isang box.
Let's unbox it, guys.
Guys.
So I'm gonna be the one unboxing it.
And your...
And look how many
Wow!
balloons! Wow! These are all
The
of
wow.
the. Wait a moment, guys. Oh, wait. Abracadabra! Now let's see. Oh, the magic works! Wow,
There's
there
already
are real
500 of
magic.
them.
There are real magic.
Yeah,
Wow.
guys. Oh, Robert, they can see. Wait a minute, guys.
Abracadabra! Wow! Let's see how many balloons are there. Wow!
Okay, now
Wait a
done.
moment, guys. Wow!
Now let's blow them.
No,
Only one.
okay, guys, so I'm gonna collect all of the balloons and then pour it on you guys. Wow!
It gets yellow.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get all the balloons again and then do it again. Okay, I'm gonna make a mountain of balloons. Here we go! Woo! Yeah, it made it! Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Bye! I'm gonna try again. Whee! Wow, guys, it's so awesome.
Many and also many.
Whee! Wait, guys, look, look.
Whee! Oh my goodness, it's raining water balloons.
Wow, that is awesome,
Awesome.
guys. So let's try it again. Wow! Let's try it again. Okay, we are trying. Wow, it's raining. Wow! Whee! Okay.
And there's also many of them.
Time whee!
We'll buy them at Hasbro.
Okay, I'm
At
gonna get...
Zuru. We're gonna buy.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do it again and we are gonna catch some. Whee!
Oh my goodness, there's so many. I got many of
Throw it away.
them.
Do like this. Woo! Woo!
Wow, there's so many of them.
And this is so cool. Wow.
And if you want to have a DIY stress ball globals, you can also make with water balloons. And we tried that, but it failed. It didn't work, right?
Yeah. Let's go. Woo! Woo!
As my
This is so fun.
yeah, guys.
Let me try. Woo! Let's try it again. Woo! Wow! This is really fun, guys. Some balloons are flowing away, but it's okay. I'm gonna make another one. And then we'll pour it.
Wow! Yung paglalaroan niya. Make balloons? Huwag na na.
I'm gonna do it again, guys.
Abracadabra. Sa ilalim ng buwan.
And then we'll pour it again in here, and then
Ito, baby.
we'll put it all back, and then we'll make it again. Okay. Put all of it in.
On the go for free with Channel. Exclusive interactive features back. Stream chilling videos, join games and promos.
And then we'll put all of it, and then it will remain again. Woo! Woo! OMG, that is awesome. Woo!
Pag may ka daw. Wait.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna do it again in 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Magic na yun. Spirit dyan. May bola.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna do it all over again. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna clean it up.
Madumi pa naman yun. Mamaya may makasalis. Sinigawan din ako nila na di ba ako galit sa pirasa? Narinig. Sisinungaling ko ang nagalit sa pirasa. Sisinungaling.
Okay, we're more so we can clean. Okay, so let's Okay, here's another pile.
This
We
is
need to buy
mine.
these, guys.
Wait, I will get this.
Okay, guys, that's all the...
Magdala nga ako ng picture.
Okay, that's all of the balloons. Okay. And then... Bye, guys!